This is the Splashpanel Easy Fit shower kit from Panel Style. Practical, attractive style that will give your home the wow factor, and it's so simple to install. We've created a simple one-box solution that provides you with everything you need to create a stunning two-sided shower enclosure. Splashpanel kits can be easily and quickly installed. General DIY skills are all you need for fitting the kit. The clever tongue and groove system means joints fit like a glove, and thanks to the color-matched or silver seal and end caps, they leave you with a clean, smart and professional-looking finish that is, of course, 100% waterproof. No two homes are the same, so we made sure the kit is adaptable to your space, suitable for enclosures of up to 1200 millimeters wide but can be easily cut down to fit smaller spaces if required. Splashpanel kits are a fantastic alternative to traditional tiled shower enclosures. Not only does a Splashpanel kit represent superb value compared to the noise, mess and expense of tiling, there's no grout, so it's much easier to clean and requires virtually no maintenance. Of course, you want your new shower enclosure to complement your home. So we've created 4 decorative finishes with coordinating borders complete with tile effect or plain finishes. A feature that helps Splashpanel stand out from other wall paneling products. And on top of all that, you have peace of mind with a full 5-year domestic use warranty. With a Splashpanel Easy Fit shower kit, you can look forward to a beautiful new shower enclosure in no time.